What is the term for an outdoor area for dining or relaxing that is adjacent to a building? What is the architectural term for a room or building used for scientific experiments, research, or teaching, or for the manufacture of drugs or chemicals? What is the name for a building or complex of buildings where goods are manufactured or assembled chiefly by machine? What do we call a horizontal structural member that supports the load over an opening such as a door or window? What do you call a large, luxurious apartment in a city?